Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Facebook cover photo in Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Meta Business Suite and make sure you're on the correct Facebook page. This is the main dashboard where you can manage your business presence, including page details, posts, messages, and visual branding elements like your cover photo. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to confirm that you're viewing the right account before making any updates. Next, move your mouse over the profile picture area on the page. Hovering here helps reveal the controls you'll need to access editing options. If you don't see anything immediately, pause for a second and keep your cursor in place, since some interface options only appear when you hover over that section. When the options become visible, click on Edit Page. This will take you into the area where you can update your page's appearance and details. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Just wait for the editing panel to fully appear before continuing. From there, look for the cover photo section and click the edit icon on the right side of it. This icon opens the controls specifically for changing the cover image, so be careful not to select the profile picture edit option by mistake. The cover photo is the large banner at the top of your Facebook page, so this is where the visual update will happen. You'll now be given the choice to select a sample picture or click Upload. If you already have an image prepared, choose Upload to add your own file. If you're just exploring the interface, you may also see sample images that can be selected directly. For best results, use a clear, high-quality image that fits your brand and looks good across desktop and mobile views. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure to upload and change the cover photo. Depending on your device and browser, you may need to browse to the image file, confirm your selection, and adjust the positioning before saving. Read each prompt carefully so the image displays the way you want it to. Once everything looks right, complete the update to apply the new cover photo to your page. That's all it takes to change your Facebook cover photo in Meta Business Suite. With just a few clicks, you can refresh your page and keep your branding up to date.